Hey guys, we're out our first time spring bear hunting for the year. I got Audrey with me, the good luck charm for the year. And we just found our first bear track. There. It's a big bear. Hopefully we can find him. Thumped him. Yeah, jacking on in. It's not a bad buck. Smoking. Good shot.
It's so cool. Oh yeah. Oh my. Stay down.
Yeah, buddy, huh? Look at that! That is why we do it.
Oh my god.
Look at that one. That's a good track. Look at these tracks. These things are pretty good sized. I don't think it's a giant bear. Probably about a 5-foot bear, I would guess. But big enough. These are horse tracks, but there's definitely, I think there's 2 sets of bear tracks on this road. So there's a big one and a little bit smaller one. Hey guys, we are just walking in a little bit. We found a pretty good little stream and quite a bit of grassy area. That's kind of what we're looking for, because this time of the year the bears eat a lot of grass and flowers and stuff, so that's kind of what we're looking for. Seen some tracks, haven't seen any poop yet. We got a little stream we want to cross. I think if we can get on the other side of this, we can see a lot better. So, gonna see what we gotta do to get across it. That's too deep. Not going that way. This is what we got. Just a little stream. Really not much to it, but there's a little hill right there and you can't see super far because of it. But I'm not seeing how we're gonna get across it. What was that? I think we found a decent place to cross. Nice, she didn't even fall. There's quite a few elk right over there. It's hard to see. There's quite a few elk over there. So the plan is we're just gonna get in these trees and just probably sit here until it's dark. Just wait and see if anything comes out. There's a lot of elk right here. Alright guys, we're gonna try to call a coyote. Or I guess, I don't really care what comes in. We're calling something. Coyote, bear, wolf, anything. So I think we'll give it a try. The sun's kind of going down. We're running out of daylight. So I think we'll just try to see if we can't get something to come in with a call.